Have you ever been stuck in the situation where you don't know that you want to set boundaries with the people, or you just want to cut off certain people who are pushing your boundaries? If you ever have been stuck into the situation like this, then I'm here for your help, because today we're gonna dig deeper into this scenario, like what to do when there are people who are pushing our boundaries. Either we need to teach them or we need to cut them off. Now, first thing first, I tell you that oftentimes we are being suggested that just, run away from that spouse or run away from that friend, just cut that person because they are costing your peace of mind. But there are times when that person is doing so much for us and we share a really nice bond, and it's not easy to really cut them off. In such situations, the bravery is not to run away, rather teach them your boundaries. And by teaching your boundaries, it doesn't mean that you are something, very dominant from that person and all, that you need to teach them, treat me this way or treat me that way, otherwise I'll go. No, it doesn't work like that. No, no, no. How does it work? Everything in the world happens when you put generosity in it, right? So when you want to teach a person what your boundaries are, you really want to be generous towards them. First, you admit and acknowledge that, yeah, you're doing this thing for me. I really appreciate you being a nice person, and I really appreciate the role you play in my life and how you provide me with your emotional care, financial care, whatever that person is giving into your life. And you just acknowledge that, admit that, and appreciate them for that. Now, when you do this, the next person has this really nice, um, happiness in their mind, like, yeah, this the next our significant other is really, acknowledging that we are doing something for them. And then when you request them that, it'll be really really nice, for example, XYZ situation, okay, and you just acknowledge them, appreciate them, and then request them to do, you know let's say, not to put their emotional turmoil on you, or be good with you financially, or be with their be there with you if you want them, like he giving you emotional support and all, or using good words for you instead of busting into aggression. Some people do that. Whatever that boundary they are pushing, you just request them not to do it after acknowledging what good they are giving into your life. So when you do this, the next person will surely think about it. I'm talking about functional. Okay, so I'm talking about functional people here who really want to be there in your life, who are not suffering anything like depression, anxiety, narcissism in particular. Like people who really want to be in the relationship and will do something to correct what they're not doing at that particular moment. So for those person, for regular functional person, it does work. Okay, you request them, you appreciate them, and they'll do even better for you. This is human psyche. If someone appreciates us, we want to do that particular thing even more. So do try this out and let me know. Now, next thing, what are the people who should we cut instead of teaching them boundaries? Now, if the person, sometimes even our closest sibling, parents, spouse, our best friends, can really suck energy from us, okay? So if the person is pushing you to your limits and then not doing anything to fix that or fix their behaviors, or the next person doesn't care to listen that they hurt you, and it just doesn't bother them that you're hurt, then you gradually should step away from them, cut them from your life, cut them. Cutting people off doesn't happen overnight, okay? It doesn't happen in one step. You just start interacting them with less frequency, start being in your own zone, like spend time with other people who appreciate you instead of spending time with the people who do not appreciate you. And yeah, it will fix your situation. And if you want anything particular, then please take help from psychologists, from mental health therapists, well-being practitioners. There's so much help out there in the internet. We are living in such a good time that we have everything in our phones, and we can just really take help from others and just don't struggle alone.